Juancheng EBUN Water Saving Irrigation Technology Company Limited is a comprehensive professional enterprise integrating the research, development, production, operation, and technical services of plastic pipe. The company covers an area of 15,000 square meters with a construction area of 5,000 square meters and has a total investment of 3 million yuan. It has more than 100 employees, 20 engineering technicians above intermediate level, and 8 senior engineers. The company produces and sells 5,000 tons of water-saving irrigation equipment annually. On the basis of introducing advanced technology at home and abroad, through extensive contact and cooperation with China Agricultural University, Irrigation Research Institute of the Ministry of Water Resources, and other scientific research institutions and engineering companies, as well as continuous efforts of our own. The company has a complete range of products, high quality and perfect service, which are well received by users all over the world. The company adheres to the science and technology-based, market-oriented, and integrity-based business philosophy. With strong economic strength, advanced production equipment, perfect quality assurance system, scientific management mode, and flexible marketing mechanism, it will provide you with satisfactory products, satisfactory prices, and thoughtful and fast pre-sale and after-sale services.